Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to Author's channel. Hello Madhurima ji, how are you?
I'm fine, Aruna. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. So how about the Delhi? I hope Delhi is too favorite for Corona or how?
Right now, Corona is favorite in Mumbai, but
Mm-hmm.
okay, Delhi is second best. It's following. It's quite close. It's not very close, but still, it's second. I think it is. To my knowledge,
Yeah,
I think it's second.
second or third, I think.
Second, third. Which is the second then? Chennai.
Might be. I'm not sure about it. But Mumbai is
Okay.
first, that I
I
know.
think it is Maharashtra and then Delhi. To my
Yes.
knowledge, is that
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
but it has taken quite a toll. Yeah.
Okay. So
Yes.
how you use this Corona time, quarantine time? So do you think it is a bless or it is a curse or how you're going to be
No,
considered?
you can't call it a blessing because a lot of people have been affected. A lot of people have become unemployed. Businesses have gone down, definitely. So, blessing you can't, but yes, we've had the time. And I, being a spiritual person, I said maybe God is teaching us something to be more considerate, to maybe understand nature better and not play with it, not take it for granted.
Exactly.
So,
Exactly. That's
we have been kind of exploiting nature too much. So there is a big imbalance, and
yes.
it needed to be set right. So that's maybe God's way, but whether it's God way or China's way, one doesn't know. Actually,
But
isn't it?
nature taken their own time to
But
heal
it's taken a
earth.
heavy toll on all the economies.
Yeah, in economy we cannot go only, and right now we don't go there also because
Uh-huh.
we need one more video for that.
Yeah,
So
absolutely. Yeah, yeah,
yes.
I agree. I agree with you there. Yes.
So how about the book Princess Mandira? How it is doing?
Well, I've got a very good response and a very good reviews. A lot of, and that in that I would say coronavirus has been a blessing in disguise because many of my friends read it during this
Okay.
period, and those who have not read it, they have promised me that they'll get it and read it because they have the time. They had this time and they were sitting at home, and reading and cooking were two things which everyone was doing.
Everyone are doing now.
Reading or cooking, on if
Yes.
you go on Insta, it's filled with books or
Our
recipes.
recipes. Yes,
So
that is
a lot of
true.
my known people have been reading and giving me good reviews about it. Yes.
That's really great. Yeah, even I seen like a few reviews in Amazon also,
Huh.
which is coming very well, and even I think Kindle is moving well right
Huh.
now. Not only your book, all the books like
Yes.
generally books are moving a Kindle now. Slowly the stores are open,
Yeah.
and I'm keep on asking to the store people also how things is going. So slowly it is going. Even the people also need to come out and they need to go out.
People are not
Everyone.
coming out because now that the lockdown has because now that the cities are unlocking, but people are still scared, although
Yeah.
by some reports the strength of the virus has become weak,
Yeah.
so it is not that fatal anymore. Plus, the I think because the revival is very good, within this month people should start coming out. That's my estimate.
Yeah, even I'm hoping actually, apart
Yeah.
from that,
I mean,
I'm
you
hoping
can't
that.
be locked away in your house for indefinite period. After a
Yes,
point, you have to start life somewhere,
yes,
isn't it?
exactly.
Balance it
Yes,
out.
yeah, exactly. So that will be a great. So first book is doing well, and we came up also good. The audience, like the readers, also received so well to our book, and even reviews. Really, I'm so happy for the reviews also which we got, and ranking in ranking terms also it is very good. And I'm sure you visited the stores also, and even you got
Yes.
like a direct feedback from stores also.
Yes, and the
So
stores were very, it was very encouraging, and it was a good experience going to the stores, seeing your book on the racks over there, and doing some book signing. Overall, it was a very very nice experience for me.
yes, though it is a late, but you covered it.
Yeah. I agree with you. It was late, but
Yeah.
certain circumstances happened that,
Yes.
couldn't
Yes.
do it before. But it was a good experience overall. I wouldn't mind repeating it again.
How you got a good experience with the stores and you are doing good with the books also, right?
Yes, it was a very good experience,
Mm.
and I think any author needs to experience that to understand uh, how the whole business works. What is the kind of exposure you can expect? How do you get your book placed and make it visible? How do you interact with the readers? So all these things, they are really helpful and encouraging for an author,
That's really
especially.
great. So that's the reason always I tell to my authors, please visit the bookstore. So though your books are new releases, it's released or not, but generally you need to be visit often the bookstores. So build a rapport and keep in touch with them. So because they are the people who sell more.
Yes,
That is the like a word of
absolutely.
mouth. It is a word of a mouth
It's a rapport
marketing
that
which
you build with them. So, that really goes a long way. That I
yes,
realized when I went there, and they were really friendly, very
yes,
warm, very friendly. And they took pictures, they gave me books to sign, they introduced me around. So, that was really nice experience.
yes, that's really good one. So like how it turned, how it make you to write this book, like oh, I you're a basically a writer already, you wrote any short stories or a blogs, or this is the direct away book,
This
so
was a direct, my first book. It was
mhm,
direct.
mhm.
I have always been a very creative person,
Okay,
and very expressive also. But my main line of work is wedding planning, decor.
mhm.
I like to work with spaces and beautify things. Work from scratch and make it outstanding. That has always been my passion.
Okay.
And I had a business in which I was doing this professionally, but
Mm-hmm.
a few years back I was down with a very severe illness, because of
Okay.
which I had to sell off my business. And
Oh.
then when I was bedridden,
Oh.
I don't know. Then my son told me that, why don't you write a story? He knew that, I had just told him a little bit about the story, and he
Mm-hmm.
said it's a very interesting story. It's a story which, you everyone loves to hear. I said okay. So I started writing, and
That's
believe
really
me,
great.
and I started writing. There was no draft or anything. I started writing, and
Mm-hmm.
it was directly on the laptop.
Mm-hmm.
I think it was divine guidance, because the words kept flowing and I kept writing. It was
That's
like
really
there was
great.
no stopping.
Okay.
Like there
So
are times when you're struggling with words, or you're struggling how to put your idea across, or you're struggling with the idea itself.
yes,
That didn't happen.
that did not
It
happen.
was like it was the flow was very strong.
That's really great. And what is the duration to finish up your book?
See, to write the book, Aruna, was the easiest part. It
Mm-hmm.
took me, I think, more than 3 months to write the book, to do the research and write the book.
Okay.
The more difficult part was, I think, after that, getting it
Okay.
edited, getting it, the book cover done. All those things take more time than actually writing a story when you have the concept in your mind.
So once you wrote a book, then you yourself like you hired an editor and you did one round of editing before submitting to the publication, or
Yes,
once it's
no.
done, you given to them.
See, being a first time author,
Mm-hmm.
and no one to guide me, I didn't know what to do.
Yeah.
Now, because I like to do everything in a very perfect way. If I write a book, I must have it in a perfect form. So I hired an editor, and I
Okay.
must say she was very good, very helpful. She did a very pretty good job. But then,
Okay.
after you write a book, how to get it published? So that was a journey which was it was a learning curve where I learned a lot along the way, that writing the book is the easiest path for an author to get it edited, published, out in the market, then market it, and get make it reach all the bookstores and then the readers, and then have a rapport with your reader, and then do marketing, and all those things are the actual part of the whole thing.
Yes, that is true.
So
So,
it was quite a learning graph for me.
so
And
that was my second question for you. So, do you think author need to do a book marketing along with the publisher or author itself? What is your? Do you think author also need to do the marketing?
author has to do the marketing. The
Mm-hmm.
author is the heart of the book. I mean,
Okay.
it is the author's baby, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
as much as you know the book, no other person can. You
No.
go into the character, you know the in and out of the book and of the characters in the book. No one else can do marketing as good as the author can.
Yes.
So the author should be, if you leave it to the publisher, of course the publisher will do it, but I don't think you will get the same result as when the author is there with the publisher. That's
Yeah,
my
that is true.
mm,
Being a publisher, I would like to say this, like just I'm adding a line for your continuation. So the author need to be do a journey along with the publisher at least for 3 months.
yeah.
So
No, I
like
think it has to be more than that. Not only
no
the first
initial
3 months is of course crucial,
yes
no doubt about it.
yeah. So
But
there are
the
author who
author has to be as participative as the publisher. Be
yes
available,
hmm.
be visible, talk about the book, go for book readings, attend book readings,
Yeah.
So the visibility factor has to be there, and that only the author can do. The publisher cannot do it alone.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So there are few authors who don't have a time. So for them, I said at least they should be for a 3 months at least for this journey, and
Yeah,
even they need to. There are a few things only author can do, even though publisher cannot do that one. Just say कि आप physical visiting to the bookstores, talking to them. Nowadays, it became like a bloggers interview also, online interviews
yeah,
also going on.
yes,
So
yes.
along with your book, even you need to show yourself also. So that is,
It's just like when you're giving birth to a baby. Just giving birth
yeah,
to the baby is not enough now. You have
no,
to, you
true.
actually have to look after the baby, see that it's fed and sleeping and everything. Now you're just giving
Yeah.
birth, the baby doesn't grow up. So it's the same thing. You write a book, but then you have
Mm.
to, along the way, you have to work on the book and on yourself, and be there. The readers will connect with you only if they like you and your book to both together.
Yeah, exactly. So
Nowadays,
that
the world has changed. See, initially,
mm.
I've been an avid reader. I
Mm.
read a lot. I like to read. I've read all these Jeffrey Archer and the Robin Cook and all those books. I've loved it. Okay,
Okay.
Sydney Sheldon. But during those times, there were authors who didn't have to. The publisher has published your book and it's there in the bookstores. You there was no Kindle, or you didn't have to go on social media and create a space for yourself and do the marketing. All those things were not there.
Yeah, true.
Now the game has changed altogether. It is
Yeah,
not the same.
that is the now the competition's increased. Earlier, the competition is not much. Now the readers also increased, authors also increased.
No, I
So
don't know whether readers have increased or not, because nowadays
no,
a lot of people have gone on to watch. I mean, people. I feel people prefer to watch Harry Potter than read all the books,
that's true.
which is according to me a big tragedy. But then that's
Mhm.
the reality of life. You like visual more than what you have to sit and read. So many of
Yeah.
my friends have said, "Look, you have written the book. We are very happy about it, but we don't read."
Oh,
Now you can't
okay.
suddenly ask them to start reading because I've written a book. So reading has reduced, definitely. Reading has
Okay.
reduced.
Okay.
And initially there were no TVs and all that, and your pastime. So we were very avid reader. Enid Blyton whole series we have read. Sydney Sheldon whole series we have read. And you name the book, and it was out, we used to read it.
Yes, that's
Abhi
true.
to everyone has, I think authors have become so many that people don't know kisko padhe, kisko nahi padhe.
Nahi padhe. That's true. And which book is releasing and next week which is not releasing. वो भी है. That's as
वो
I
भी
said,
बात है.
competitions it's more like a competition
Yeah,
ज़्यादा हो गया. So
absolute.
like till now you were saying only foreign authors. How about Indian authors and how many titles are? Who's the favorite author of Indians you think?
Oh, I love to read Indian authors also. I've read all the books of Amish.
Mm-hmm.
Kavita Kane, I love her books. So,
Okay.
I like to read, but in Indian the thing is that in the historical and the mythological part is very strong over here.
Yes.
So
Very nice.
I'm sure I've read a few romances also, although I'm not into a lot of romance, but a lot of friends are writing romance and then they would give it to me, "Ki Madhurima, please read and give your review." So I would, so it's okay.
Hmm.
But I have not read very good thrillers, like the kind of books that you get from Sidney Sheldon and Robin Cook. They are thrillers.
Yeah.
So that thrill I have not read in any Indian author.
Okay.
But historical fiction or historical mythological fiction, they unbeatable.
Unbeat. Exactly. So their own things, no? So which is in their, I can
Devdutt
still in a.
Patnaik, I've read him also.
Mm-hmm.
Devdutt Patnaik. So, but all of them are mythology based.
Yes, that's true. That
Uh,
is really true. So,
and I
okay.
like to read a lot of philosophy. I've read The
Mm-hmm.
Secret. I've read the
Okay.
entire series of Harry Potter, one of my favorites. So,
Okay.
so I whatever book I get, I like to read a lot of autobiographies also. Right,
Okay.
right now I'm reading this How Modi Won India
Ah,
by. So I'm reading that. So
okay.
I like to read. I like to read.
That's really great.
Uh,
So, this one, like, share me about your publishing experiences. So, you written like within 3 4 months, you completed your book with the editing process also. So, is it a easy process you got or zigzag? How it was?
no, I don't believe that anything can be easy in life. You have to work for it.
Okay.
I told you writing was the easiest part because for that I didn't have to depend on anyone. But for editing, if you've given it to an editor and the editor is working on your manuscript,
Hmm.
you have to work double as hard as her to make sure that whatever she's editing is up to the mark, all is good
Yeah.
and has been looked into. So my first editor, she was Samarpita, and she did the editing. At that time, I must have read the book not less than, I think, 100 times. I would read and reread and reread and reread and then resend to her, and then she would send it back. So we had this thing going on. She
Mm-hmm.
took around 3 months. Then,
Okay.
for a publisher, she suggested a few publishers, and then I finally went to Notion Press.
Okay.
So the publishing part was also, I would say, it was not bad. They did a
Mm-hmm.
pretty decent job with it. They re-edited my book, and it was done well. So that part was, I was not. I would say I was. Because I did not have a lot of experience and no one to guide me, so I wouldn't know whether how good or bad it was. Although a lot of people have complimented me on the book cover,
Mm-hmm.
but I think I now feel that we could have done a better book cover. That's my cut.
Yes. Okay. Really.
And
That's really.
also, we don't know because the publisher has published it, but where
Mhm.
marketing is supposed to be done by them, they are zero. They don't do it. And being a first time author, you don't know where to go and what to do. So that's a
Yeah, that
big
is.
that's a big challenge for any new author.
Yes, that is a for a new nowadays. If you seen like the author can read only after 2 to 3 books only. Author can able to tell for others also what exactly they need to do and what exactly they would have be done
But
or
every
not done.
author, I think every author has to go through their own journey. Even if I tell them, but
Mm.
they have to go through their own journey of editing, publishing, marketing.
Yes,
There is no shortcut in this.
yes,
You learn the hard way.
yes, exactly. That is
Very few
true.
people, I think, are born with that silver spoon where they get good publishers from the first book. Very few people are born that lucky. Everyone has to go through their struggle. I don't think even Amish was, even for that matter, J.K. Rowling. I mean, they all had to go through the struggle.
Everyone have their own
Yeah,
story.
yeah, yeah.
Everyone
Absolutely.
have.
There is no shortcut.
Yes, everyone have their own story and own things. So now you
Absolutely.
have now like almost like if I'm not wrong, 80 to 90% about the book industry, readers, stores, everything you might be learned.
I don't know whether
So
80 to 90%, but yes, I would say that reasonably yes.
yes. So like you were sharing about like a publishing experience.
Yes,
So
so like I said,
everyone have
everyone has to go through their struggle, Aruna. There is no shortcut.
okay.
We are looking at success stories today, but I'm sure they must have also had to, struggle it out before they became success.
Yes, very true, very true. I like just before going for another question, just one question. So basically, like all the authors will try for the traditional big houses and those things. So did you tried and how long it took a time to you to decide like, okay, my book cannot go and reach that level, so let me try another way. When you thought,
No, it was for me a different route altogether.
mm-hmm.
See, I had a person who was who showed interest in the story for Netflix web series.
Oh,
They said
okay,
your story is very strong, and
mm-hmm.
it can be made into a very nice web series.
Okay, that's great.
So he advised me
Mm-hmm.
not to go to any big publisher.
Oh, okay.
He said, go to any small publisher because, in any case, whether you go to a big publisher or small publisher, you have to do your own marketing. They are not going to do marketing. 3 महीना वो कर आपकी किताब कहीं it will be lying in some backyard. You will not even get to do it. So, it's no use. And when you make a web series or anything, your IP rights should be with you.
Okay.
So for that reason, I
Mhm.
did not even try to go to a big publisher because that was he said if you go to a small unknown publisher and you have all the rights with you, then
Mm-hmm.
for you to get the rights for your web series or whatever you later on with your story, you are the whole and soul for it. So that was the reason.
Okay. So
Yes.
that was the reason you didn't go to over there.
Huh.
So
So,
now,
like someone said, you go to Rupa.
mm-hmm.
So there was this editor who suggested you can go to Rupa and all. And then when I got this feedback, and I said, yes, it's a good idea. Let me go to a smaller publisher, and
Mm-hmm.
I'll have also. That's what happened with the book. That I had all my rights, and it's
Okay.
still with me. And I've
Okay.
got, and now the Netflix, the person with whom I was talking, he's waiting for my sequel to come out. When
Okay.
the
So your book is going to be a series in Netflix.
Yes. So once it
Oh,
comes out,
wow.
then the
Okay.
whole, both the books then they will start because it's a half a story, so they want
Mhm.
the full story.
That's really great. My advance congratulations to you.
Thank
So,
you. So that was the entire thought and action behind choosing the publisher.
okay, that's really great. So now, how about your second book? So now you said Netflix, these things means now I'm sure readers and other people might be waiting curiously. So how about the second book when it is going to be released?
Oh yes, a lot of people have been asking for the when is the sequel coming out. In fact, I was looking forward to a release in July.
Mm-hmm.
But coronavirus and God had different plans. So, decided to now we are looking at hopefully a deadline of maybe October.
October. So October we can go ahead.
Yeah, because the book is ready. It's gone for edit, and
Mm-hmm.
we are working on the cover and all. So hopefully it should be out, because by then the market should open up, and a little bit of the economic activity should also be better than what it is now.
That's
So
really true. That's really true. So
yeah.
fine. It's really a wonderful and it's a good and great conversation. We
Thank
enjoyed.
you.
Hope even you too enjoyed. Um, yes. Okay, so Madhuri, thank you very much.
Looking
Have a great
forward.
day.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you
Thank
for
you. Yeah. Bye.
looking.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you.